Good morning, teacher. I am Francisca Reyes. I am interested with a robot to help me clean the house. I think this will be a great invention for all housewives. And this robot will have to be multifunctional as a nun. That is, cook the meals, wash the clothes, iron the clothes, tend beds, flush toilets, help children, and thousand more things. The robot must to be fun and have a built-in a radio and television. He must have also a big memory to remind the housewife all its activities. I want to build this robot very resistant to avoid damage ever. I am going to put steel hands and steel feet, and his memory I will put 1,000,000 megabytes. Also, I will put good batteries. I am going to paint my brand, and I am sure that all ladies going to buy. Also, I will be very cheap. This seems great. Thank you.